Welcome back to the Precalc is Awesome television network. We're your hosts, Ava
and Abby. Today's episode is a special triangle special where we
make this cake. Today we're going to be making 2 special triangle trig cakes.
These are the ingredients that we'll be needing for our cakes today: cake mix, egg replacer, vegetable oil, and water. To make this cake, it took a total of 2 box cake mixes, 4 eggs, 2.5 cups of water, and 1 cup of oil.
Coming up next, we have an example of trig in the real world. The spray comes out of the can at a 90-degree angle, so in order for it to hit the pan, Abby needs to tilt the can. The angle between the spray and the pan is 45 degrees.
While we make the second batch, let's go over the definition of trigonometry. Trigonon is the Greek word for triangle. Metron means to measure. Trigonometry is the measuring and study of triangles.
Next, we made the frosting. For that, we used powdered sugar, vanilla, butter, milk, Crisco, and food dye. We then baked the cake according to box instructions for 30 minutes. While we're mixing the colors, let's go over the reciprocals.
The reciprocals of the main functions are cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Here I'm cutting the cake into 2 special triangles. The first one is a 45-45-90 triangle, and the second one is a 30-60-90 triangle.
As we were frosting the 45-45-90 triangle, it did not exactly go as planned, so we did not end up using that one for the model.
However, the 30-60-90 triangle went a lot smoother and fit all of our facts. This is an example of an inverse. Sine of 30 degrees is equal to 1/2. Arcsine of 1/2 is 30 degrees.
Here we have SOHCAHTOA, which tells us that sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent.
This is a unit circle labeled with the acronym all students take calc. This is used to remember that in quadrant 1, sine, cosine, and tangent are all positive. In quadrant 2, only sine is positive. In quadrant 3, only tangent is positive. And in quadrant 4, only cosine is positive.